Hi, I'm Kelly Enlow with Central States Industrial. I'd like to show you the saw guide, the wing nut saw guide. This is a great tool for us to use in the field or in the shop. A craftsman can take this tool, put it on their piping system and add a T or an extra ferrule. Maybe an instrument T needs to go in line or a T for a pressure gauge. This is a great tool. The other styles have an extra pair of vice grips or clamps that can vibrate loose and can fall. The wing nut saw guide is different. The standard ones can be a cumbersome, can be a hassle to have an extra set of clamps and an extra set of hands to get it lined up. This one is all one piece. Put it on, swing the wing nut, tighten it down. We're going to do a demo right now so that you will be able to see the saw guide go on and then a cut being made. The nice thing about this, these saw guides have got a hardened roll pin in them, so that now that whenever he cuts through, it doesn't cut into the body of your clamp. It comes in 1/2 inch through 6 inch. Look us up at csidesigns.com. Give us a call, 417-831-1411.